Good day mga guys. So right now we're already on our way. It's the grand opening ng ating Mandaluyong branch. Alright guys, we're here. Almost there. Dito na tayo sa may Rockwood. Yan. Good yet for business. How much?
Magay ka na muna. Wala. Ano kasi yung... Parang may
Picture muna tayo. Dito tayo.
Okay po.
Music lang dyan.
Kita naman.
Excuse me lang, ikaw lang. Sorry ah. Alright, ready? Dito naman po. Ready? 1, 2, 3. Okay.
So, if you would allow us 2 minutes for to share the founding story, you can go ahead. Palimbayan to ha, palimbayan.
It's one of our passion. One day, as a father, hindi na ako pwede basta-basta bumili ng shoes. So may binili ako sapatos na guilty ako. Nakita ko along the road, sabi ko, ano kayo pwede business dito sa area namin? I saw the opportunity.
In Laguna.
In Pila Laguna, nakita ko walang shoe cleaning business. Then right after that, sabi ko shoe cleaning. Then from then on, they were all put together as a shoe. More urban way para sa millennials na ano yun.
Ito mas kanila why Mandaluyong was our flagship. It's because of the data online that brought us here. And Cholo told us, guys, dito tayo sa Mandaluyong.
Millennial na, napansin ko ngayon, sa that before, leather talaga, di ba? I don't know, yung mga, mag-agree kayo, yung mga level ko, max H leather,
Patong muna ba? Dok, patong.
yung magdaw, yung sapatos, hindi mo mapapasok kahit kanino. Ito kapag mo lang sa
Kaya yung category namin is shoe care business. We're under the shoe care industry. Because mahal na nga bumili ng sapatos, so alagaan natin.
And also man, ano kasi, one of my advocacy din para sa mga magsisimula ng school during that time. I know there's a lot of parents na hindi kaya bumili ng bagong shoes para sa mga anak nila. We saw our opportunity, hey, pwede pa rin yung sapatos. Let's go, pwede pa rin yung sapatos. At least, yung mga magulang, hindi sila ganun ka-broken hearted once they start to adjust.
Nasa hindi kasing mahal ng ano.
No, we are
Parang
very...
bago na yung binili yung
Yes po,
price.
yung price range po natin. Wala pa rin makapaniwala, ang mura nyo. Yes po.
Reasonable.
It's 299 sa akin. Sa branch ako pa kayo.
Sabi nga sa akin talaga.
Actually, it's on the works.
Yeah, for yes.
Tatanggal yung ano. Yung
Message kita.
ano, sweatas, skin.
Especially pag designer. Especially pag designer.
Ganyan ang dati nga, di ba? Like, kumantay ng Monday morning program. Sabi nga, bakit may shoes? Dahil nga, hindi na
We are.
Yeah, it's in the pipeline. That's why yung next namin ilo-launch is tawag namin na service Ultra Premium for the designer types of rubber shoes muna and re-gluing. But for the ladies category naman po, we're studying how to preserve yung lalo na yung napakamahal na shoes. Meron tayong department na gagawin din.
So, sa ganito,
Yes,
kaya,
Yun yung mga under observation pa namin, under learning. Kasi hindi talaga kami basta mag-release ng isang specific na product or service hanggat hindi namin napag-aaralan po ng maayos.
Yan po sa akong idea.
Yes,
Kasi nyo pagkakaroon kasi ninyo cleaning ng mga signature bag. No? Nakakita kasi
Actually,
yun eh.
Very wide ang industry for this one. So yung philosophy namin, ma'am, in terms of looking for location, we want to add value to the ecosystem.
and create opportunities, create a lot of Philippines.
Yung sukat, lumababaan ako nung ano yung
Hindi ko, kwento mo, concentrate to dati sneakerhead.
Anyway, sa ano namin, bawal na tayo pumunta ng madumi ang shoes natin.
Wait, may pictures.
Ayan.
Sandali, wala dyan ang aming.
Okay, ready go. 1, 2, 3. Let's go.
Pag-usapan natin.
And very minimal size. I think Mandaluyong deserves more branches of impeccable shoes.
Okay po, Okay.
Tatanong lang kasi hanggang gabi schedule lang yun. Kung sana dadala na kami. Pwede ka ba? Hindi niya magkakaroon.
Ako pa man din sabi sa mga
Kasi ano yung ilan yung mga partero. So like let's say this guy.
Sino mo yung order ng biyahe?
Yeah, that's true.
Kapitol. Ilan mo natin?
Hindi po to.
Emergency light lang yan. Kasi critical sa amin yan eh. Dapat pero sa labas, dapat meron. Okay, 1, 2, 3, go. Impeccable Capitolio coming soon!
Guys, that was a very successful day. We would like to thank all of the LGU of Mandaluyong for showing us support, and also a new branch is coming out, Capitolio, tama no? Common Capitolio is coming soon also, so dalawang branch na natin sa Pasig. We'd like to thank everyone for watching this video. See you guys again real soon. Pauwi na tayo.